Hello, this is Ashish and you are watching Born Again. And today we are going to talk about the astonishing power of understanding emotion, the excellent power of understanding emotions. I know watching my previous videos, you all are already understanding the need of tracing your vibration. In my previous video, I have told you that everything has vibration. The basic of this world is vibration, and the everything of this world is a combination of vibrations. And the law of attraction tracing the vibration of everything and bringing them together. So, as everything has vibration, you also have a vibration. I also have a vibration, and the vibration you have, that is the foundational basis of your attraction. That is the point of your attraction by which you are attracting, with the help of law of attraction, everything that you are experiencing in your life. So if you are unable to understand your vibration, you will never be understand how you are getting what you are getting. So understanding of your vibrational basis with which you are attracting is the most important thing in your life to create your life as you like. And the emotion is the mechanism that is telling you in which vibration you are in right now. The emotion is the mechanism by which you can trace your vibration and tell whatever you are going to attract in your future. The emotions are created in our body. Our body is a tremendous chemical factory. Every thought you receive, I have already told you that the vibration compounds with the help of law of attraction, and then we are receive them as thoughts. So whenever you receive any thought or you are influenced by anything, you will be in a vibration, and that vibration is your point of attraction by which you are getting your future experiences in your life. So whenever you receive the thought, your body creates some chemicals, which testosterone, testosterone and many names. I don't bother to get there. Just one thing you have to understand is, whenever you receive some thought or change your vibration, you will feel an emotion in your body by creating with the help of chemicals that being made in your body within cells. So whenever you are in some vibration or change your vibration, you will feel an emotion, and that emotion will tell you in whichever type of vibration you are in. So you just have to monitor between two things. How are you feeling? Are you feeling good or are you feeling not so good? This is the monitor that is needed to create your life as you like. So whenever you are feeling good, you can be certain that the future experiences of your life will sustain your good feeling and also make them grow. And if any point of your life, in your point of any time, you are not feeling so good, then you can be sure that your future experiences that will you experience or attract are going to sustain you this not so good feeling state of being, and also make this this not so feeling good state of being grow. So this is the power you can have by the understanding your emotion. Your emotions are the indicators of your vibration, in which state of vibration you are in, and by which state I mean the vibration that is being traced by the law of attraction, and then the law of attraction that will going to bring you the things, the thoughts, the incidents and everything that will perpetuate, that will sustain, and that will grow your now state of being, your now state of emotions. So by understanding your emotion, you can have the power of controlling your life, because understanding your emotion will tell you what you are going to attract, And this will make you feel like you are the only controller of your life, because you are only the controller of your life. No other influence outside of you are creating your life experiences. You and your vibrations that can be controlled fully by yourself is only stressing by the law of attraction, and the law of attraction bringing the life experiences towards you. So how you can control your emotions, how you can let yourself be in more good times, in more good moments, I will discuss it in more others video. I will bring more videos on this topic, but in this video I'm going to tell you that your emotion is the key of your every happiness that you are searching for. By understanding your emotion, you can understand that you have the control of your life, and everything that is attracted toward you, you are attracting it with your vibration, with your now emotion. If you are in good feeling emotion, everything that is coming to you is a good feeling experience. And if you are in not so good feeling state of being, state of emotion, everything that is coming to you will sustain your not so good feeling emotion. This is the power you will have after understanding your emotional indicator that will indicate your vibration, which is the vibration, which is your point of attraction. This will make you understand how you are only and only you are creating your life with the help of law of attraction.